The universe is vast and mysterious. We have long wondered if we are alone. What if we are not? What if advanced beings from another world were to set their sights on Earth? It's a question that has fueled countless science fiction stories. However, the possibility, however remote, of an alien invasion is a topic worthy of serious consideration. The arrival of extraterrestrial visitors would be an event unlike any other in human history. It could be a moment of great wonder and discovery, or it could herald an era of unprecedented challenges and conflict. The possibility, however improbable, forces us to confront fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos. How would we react to such an event? Would we welcome our celestial neighbors with open arms or greet them with fear and hostility? The answers to these questions might depend heavily on the intentions of the extraterrestrial visitors. Are they explorers, scientists, conquerors, or refugees? Our history is replete with examples of conflict arising from misunderstandings and fear of the unknown. An encounter with an alien civilization would be the ultimate test of our capacity for understanding and cooperation. Let's delve into some of the possibilities and explore how humanity might respond to the ultimate challenge, an alien invasion. When we imagine aliens, we often picture humanoid figures. Maybe they have large heads and slender bodies, or perhaps they resemble giant insects with exoskeletons. Hollywood has given us a plethora of alien imagery, but the truth is, we have no idea what extraterrestrial life might look like. The universe is a place of incredible diversity. Life on Earth has evolved to fit every niche imaginable, from the depths of the oceans to the highest mountain peaks. It's entirely possible that alien life could take on forms beyond our wildest imaginations. They could be microscopic organisms, completely invisible to the naked eye, or they could be massive sentient beings, dwarfing even the largest creatures on Earth. Their biology might be based on silicon or ammonia instead of carbon, allowing them to thrive in environments that would be lethal to us. The possibilities are truly endless. It's essential to keep an open mind when considering the nature of extraterrestrial life. To assume that aliens would resemble us is not only anthropocentric, but also limits the scope of our imagination and understanding of the cosmos. Let's say, for a moment, that aliens do exist and they have set their sights on Earth. The question then becomes, why? What could possibly motivate a civilization capable of interstellar travel to target our little blue planet? One possibility is resources. Earth is abundant in water, minerals, and other elements that might be scarce in their part of the galaxy. An advanced civilization facing resource depletion might view Earth as a prime target for exploitation. Another possibility is expansion. Throughout history, civilizations have expanded, often at the expense of others. An alien civilization driven by a similar imperative might see Earth as simply another territory to conquer and subjugate. Of course, not all reasons for an alien invasion have to be malevolent. Perhaps they are fleeing a dying star or searching for a new home. Their intentions might be peaceful, even altruistic, but their arrival could still have unintended and potentially catastrophic consequences for humanity. It's also worth considering that the reason for their arrival might be entirely beyond our comprehension. Their motives and goals could be so alien to our way of thinking that we might never fully understand them, even if they tried to explain. Faced with an advanced alien civilization, how could humanity possibly defend itself? It's a daunting question, and the answer likely involves a combination of factors, including technological innovation, global cooperation, and perhaps a bit of luck. Our current military technology would likely be no match for an alien civilization capable of traversing the vast distances between stars. We would need to develop new weapons and defense systems, potentially harnessing the power of fusion energy, directed energy weapons, or other technologies that remain theoretical for now. Global cooperation would be paramount. Petty squabbles and national rivalries would need to be set aside in the face of a common enemy. The world's nations would need to pool their resources, knowledge, and military might to present a united front. Beyond technology and cooperation, our survival might depend on factors beyond our control. Perhaps the aliens are susceptible to Earth-based diseases. Maybe their technology is vulnerable to some unforeseen flaw. Or perhaps, just perhaps, they decide that Earth and its inhabitants are not worth the trouble. In the face of an alien invasion, humanity would be facing its greatest challenge. Our survival would depend on our ability to adapt, innovate, and unite against a common foe. Whether we would succeed in repelling the invaders or become another chapter in the long history of conquered civilizations remains to be seen. However, one thing is certain: the encounter would forever change our understanding of our place in the universe.